Dear students, good afternoon to all. Hope you all are fine. Today's our offline class is about blood vessels, differences between arteries and veins. What are blood vessels? Blood vessels form a tubular network throughout the body that allows blood to flow from the heart to all the living cells of the body and then back to the heart. Blood from the heart passes through vessels of progressively smaller diameters known as arteries, arterioles, and capillaries. The walls of arteries and veins consist of three coats or tunics. Number one, tunica externa. The outermost layer is the tunica externa and is composed of connective tissues. Number second coat or second tunica is the tunica media. The middle layer is the tunica media and is composed primarily of smooth muscles. Third coat is the tunica interna. The inner layer is the tunica interna. It consists of two parts. Number A, elastic membrane. Number B, endothelium. Now A, elastic membrane. This membrane is made up of elastic tissue of yellow fibers, that is bundles of elastin protein. It is thicker in artery. Number B, endothelium. It is made up of flattened squamous epithelial cells lining the lumen. Its cells are more elongated in artery. Now, differences between arteries and veins. Arteries, point number one. Arteries distribute blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. Veins collect blood from different parts of the body and pour it into the heart. Number second point, arteries. Tunica media is thick, having more muscle fibers. In veins, tunica media is thin, having fewer muscle fibers. Number third point, tunica interna has strong elastic membrane and more elongated endothelial cells in arteries. Tunica interna has simple elastic membrane and elongated endothelial cells in veins. Point number 4. The walls of the arteries are thick and muscular. The walls of the veins are thin and non muscular. Point number 5. Arteries are not collapsible as they have thick walls. Veins are collapsible because they have thin walls. Point number 6. Arteries have no valves. Veins have valves which prevent backward flow of blood. Number 7. The flow of the blood is fast as the blood in arteries is under great pressure. The flow of blood in veins is not so much fast because the blood in veins is under low pressure. Point number 8. All the arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary arteries. All the veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary veins. Now the capillaries. These are the narrowest blood vessels through which the exchange of gases and nutrients between the blood and the tissue fluid occurs. The walls of capillaries are composed of just one cell layer, a simple squamous epithelium or endothelium. This permits a more rapid exchange of materials between the blood and the tissues. This was all about today's offline class. Thanks.